Hi, welcome to week 6. So, this week we're going to be talking about technology project management. And one of the key things you need to be able to do is actually, when you execute on technology projects, be able to manage that project to completion. And we'll talk a little bit about this this week, around the idea that managing a technology project isn't as easy as managing any number of other projects, basically because technology by definition is innovation, it's new, it hasn't been done before, and so you're kind of trying to figure out how to do something that has never been done in your environment at least, and make that successful in its implementation. A lot of issues with project management and with technology, a lot of issues with software in particular, and making sure those projects execute successfully. You've seen all the data around failures of project management. Only like about a third of them are successful. Like two-thirds of these projects aren't even successful or considered successful. Sometimes they're either finished late or they don't get up to the scope that they want, or they just don't meet the needs because of changing dynamics of the environment, changing expectations of the customer, or the technology is just too hard to get in there. So anyway, we're going to talk about project management in particular. We're going to talk about the waterfall lifecycle approach. We're going to talk about agile technologies and how that's changed the ability to implement technology projects. And then we're going to, at the end of the week, kind of have you take a crack at, setting up a project for in both different, sort of the old school way and then the agile approach. Um, and that's what we're going to do. So this week, let's go ahead and get started.